Go.
These
Tell your story.
the story. I can go grab him. I go run. I go kick him. I go kick him. Go grab him.
What were you clapping?
Yeah, go stop.
You were stomping?
Yeah.
What were you stomping?
Lion.
You were stomping the lion?
Yeah.
Why? Because he was chasing you?
Yeah.
Well, where did you see him?
Yeah.
Where did you see him?
Yeah.
Was he outside?
Yeah.
Or did you see him? Oh, you saw him in the window?
Yeah.
Oh.
Go stop. Go stop. Go grab him. I go, yeah. I go stop again. Daddy.
Good story.
I saw Aiden. What's that?
See? What's that?
Yeah.
Daddy's hand?
Yeah. I start clapping. I start everywhere.
That's a good story.
I start water everywhere. I start water, mommy. I start water, mommy.
Mommy went to the gym. You smile?
Yeah, cheese.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye,
Love
Aiden.
you. Love you.
Bye-bye, Aiden.
Love you.
Bye-bye, Aiden. Also, my